Jodie Foster is a United States-based actress, producer, and director who first did some commercials and then got recognized and landed minor a guest TV series acting roles. Jodie Foster's career success started with the Taxi Driver movie. Early life. Alicia Christian Foster was born on November 19, 1962 in Los Angeles, California, United States. Her father Lucius Fisher Foster III and her mother Evelyn Ella Almond. They separated before she was born. Jodie Foster has one brother and two sisters from her origin parents, former child actor Bude Foster, Connie Foster and Cindy Foster Jones. Jodie Foster was grown and raised by her mother in her hometown. She finished her schooling from the Lycée Francis de Los Angeles and then she graduated in 1985. With a literature degree and a great honor from Yale University. Jodie Foster also received a Doctor of Fine Arts honorary degree in 1997. Jodie Foster had a long-lasting relationship with Sydney Barnard. They are the parents of two sons, Charles Barnard Foster and Kit Barnard Foster. Jodie Foster married the photographer, actress and director Alexandra Hidson in 2014. Age, height and weight. Being born on 19 November 1962, Jodie Foster is 59 years old as of today's date, 11th January 2022. Her height is 1.61 meter tall and her weight is 55 kg. Career. Jodie Foster's mother used to work for the movie producer Arthur P. Jacobs. She started her career when she was a child by appearing in TV commercials. Then Jodie Foster got recognized and gained some attention that led to minor and guest roles in TV series. Awards and achievements. Jodie Foster has won 2 Oscar Awards for Best Actress for her great performance in The Accused and in The Silence of the Lambs. For A Taxi Driver and Bougues Milone, she won the BAFTA Award for Best Actress in a Supporting Role. And the BAFTA Award for Most Promising Newcomer to Loading Film Roles. Jodie Foster has a 2 Saturn Award for Best Actress for Contact and The Little Girl Who Lies Down the Lane. Net worth and salary. As of January 2022, the estimated net worth of Jodie Foster has reached up to $110 million. She earned her millions from the great movies she's been starring in and from being the director and producer of some movies. Jodie Foster's salary for Flight Plan movie, which grossed $223 million at the box office, was around $13 million. And she earned somewhere around $12 million for Panic Room, which grossed $196 million at the box office. Jodie Foster is one of the actresses that people love to watch in any kind of movie. She began appearing in TV series and movies by the end of the 1960s and the beginning of the 1970s. Jodie Foster is the director of 4 movies, and her debut as a director is Little Man Ted. Jodie Foster is married to Alexandra Hidson, and they seem happy together.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.